Welcome to one of our school gardens. We've got a class heading out now, another one coming in a minute. It's about to be winter, so a lot of things are dying back right now. But check out our besamim garden over here. We've got different strong-smelling herbs to represent the different besamim brachot. There's 4 different brachot. We have 3 of them represented here in the garden. We've got our sage, lavender, thyme, tarragon, fennel's on the way out, but we've got some caterpillar and chrysalis going on inside, which is super cool.
Where?
Right over here. Check that out. All right, today with the classes, we are doing things like tasting parsley and making a bracha on a plant that comes straight out of the ground. Baruch atah Adonai Eloheinu melech haolam borei pri ha'adama.
Amen.
Over this way. You want to take some from here? We are also doing things today, like learning about bal tashchi and not wasting by saving seeds from our okra and our marigolds that we've got all around the garden that we actually planted for Tu B'Shvat.
Make another one.
That is exactly right.
It makes another one.
Check those out. We are also going through our garden and pulling out all the things that won't last through the winter to get them ready for donation. Just like these leeks over here, which we donate. We've got lots of them that are just about ready to come out of the ground, which we'll be harvesting with kids today. If you don't want to have some else, you can put all the seeds in here.
We need some in that spot.